Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Here we are, guys. Down here at the mini farm. Mama? How's a mama? How's a mama? Big brother? Little sister always crying. Sheepy? There they are. Little baby sheepy girls right here. We got a mama. I don't know if we got another mama or not. We got a boy. Then we got little goats are here. Look at little girl. Little baby girl. Look at her, guys. Drinking from her mama. She's too tall. She has to lay down. She's too cute. Mama says that's enough. Little roosters. Little baby Dalmatian girl. Look at her. All grown up. Guinea fowls here. Geese. Turkeys are over there. 2 turkeys anyway. The other turkey might be back there somewhere. Let's go check out the chickens. What's up, big boy? There she is. The other turkey. There's a mister. Well, good morning. Well, good morning, sir. Good morning. Guys, the lights are still on, so it is a little bit early. It's not, it might be getting very close to 6 o'clock, so it's not real early. But Mama, babies are already up eating. Little sister's trying to eat my camera finger. Okay, let's look over here. There's the chickies. It's hard to focus on them. Sister keeps trying to eat my finger. Mama's blocking them. We'll try to get them for you guys. There she goes. So we have 5 little yellowish white ones, 1 little tiny black one, and 1 brown one. Well, it sounds like the chickens are trying to lay eggs for us already, bright and early. So we still have 1 egg and 2 eggs. So we'll get the big animals fed. Then we'll get these guys fed. Mrs. Turkey. Let's see what's going on in here with the ladies. Okay, sister. Keep it out. Okay, I guess they're not laying. They're just waking up. So we'll get them fed and watered. Get all the animals taken care of. They're all following. Look at them, guys. They're all here. Turkey's got a lot to say. So that's how it's looking in the morning. The garden's looking good. This is the wheelbarrow of grass, guys. We dumped down here for them yesterday. And that's what's left. Yep, they did a fine job. It was actually last night. It was a little bit late, but they're still digging around in it. So that's what it is. Everybody looks like they're doing well. So we have things to do today. So we're going to go ahead and take care of this and get going with our day. I just wanted to give you guys a little peek at what's going on early in the morning. They're still picking around in this dirt. We'll come out here and check out the garden quick. So that was the wheelbarrow that was full, and you saw what was left. So the garden looking good this morning. I got some work to do around the edges. I'm not going to do that today. We're going somewhere, so I won't be doing that. There's the bird, bright and early. So that's what's going on here. Here's what the garden looks like. I do have a lot of work still, but it's getting there, guys. It's getting there. We're still, maybe the Lord willing, tomorrow we'll get the plumber to fix our catfish thing. They don't like that bird in their yard. So come over here. We see the mango tree is still doing good. So I have to get this little area situated. Hopefully the herbs come up soon. And then I have not figured out yet what I'm going to do over here with my herb garden. But once I do figure that out, I'll let you guys know. Well, we couldn't sneak and do it, guys. My husband got out here. So he's going to go ahead and take care of the animals. So this is my herb garden. So you guys, I appreciate the comments and showing me what I have over here, because really, guys, I don't know. I learned that was hibiscus, but it's not. You see how the flowers are like a single petal? So the hibiscus that we got planted over here was it has a lot of petals on it. So you guys did tell me this is local basil, and I appreciate that. It smelled like it. It looks like basil, the way the seeds are and everything. So I appreciate that. I had somebody come yesterday and tell me this is miracle leaf. And then somebody commented too. So that's a blessing. So now I know what you were talking about. And guys, I did not know I had lemongrass. So this is lemongrass. So I'm going to try to figure out how to take some out and replant it somewhere so I can get more. Because I love lemongrass. And it's very good for you as far as I know. So I'll be looking this one up. We got some plants that have died over here. So hopefully we can get those out. This place really needs a little bit of care. I've just been leaving it, but I've showed you guys, there's my hibiscus. So you see, it needs some nutrients. And then this one is crowded. See it here. So probably not the ideal place to put it. Somebody who said he was a gardener planted them here. This one's doing good. Guys, this one I thought was dead. The dogs dug it up and pulled it out. Before we noticed it, it had sat in the sun out of the dirt all day. and it was totally dead, but it came back. So this one's probably gonna be really strong. So I need to come in here and cut these back. I don't think it was the best place to plant those because those three themselves need a good space, but we'll work with what we got. It's not gonna give me the hibiscus flowers and stuff that I want right now, but eventually it will. I'm hoping we can work on these trees soon. My aloe plant. So those are things I like to have on hand. And our water is full, guys. There it is. What a blessing. So the water's full. I turned the water on this morning. I think we're learning there's a fluctuation in the power. So those are some issues that, you know, you will have. So turn this off. There's fluctuations in the power, so the safety thing box that we have ensures that the pump doesn't overload. So that's what happens there. So we're thankful that we're able to have full water. I will go ahead and water my garden now because I wasn't sure how much water was in there, but now I see that it's got a lot. So I'll go ahead and water my garden, and we're gonna get ready. We got some things to do today, and we'll go ahead and get ready so we can go. Get this watered in really good. Hopefully the seeds will come up. Got to get water on those tomato plants. But that's about it. That's what I got for you guys today. So if anything else, you know, I'll come back and throw up another video if there's anything else that comes up. But for now, till next time, God bless you.